Hello everyone, welcome back to Tekno Jenius. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional AI video, complete with a storyboard.
But before we continue, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you don't miss any other interesting information from us. Okay, first, we'll create a character in ChatGPT. Here, I'll create a gym-themed warm-up. So, I need a character who's at the gym. Okay, here's the result. Next, we'll create a storyboard based on the character we created. We'll upload the generated image again, then enter the prompt for the storyboard. Click Generate and wait for the results. Now, the result is ready, so all we have to do is turn it into a video. We'll open Google Flow, create a new project, and upload the character image and storyboard. So, before we turn it into a video, we need to check the settings to ensure it uses the same ratio as the image. We also need to ensure it uses the Omni model. Now, let's create the video. Insert the image into the command prompt, then enter a simple prompt like this. Then, click Generate and wait for the results. The agent will ask for a credit deduction fee. Just click Agree. Okay, here's the result, friend. Okay, now we'll try making a different video and generating it with Seedance 2.0. The method is the same as before. First, we'll create reference characters in GPT chat. Here, I'm making a drama-themed video, so I need male and female characters. Okay, here's the result. The next step is the same as before, creating a storyboard. We upload the reference characters, then instruct GPT chat to create a drama storyboard with the reference characters. Here's the finished storyboard. Next, we'll turn this storyboard into a video with Seedance 2. For the tool, I used CapCut. You need to log in with your email, and you'll be given 350 free credits. Now let's convert it into a video. Upload your storyboard, enter the prompt, and click Generate. Here's the result.
Excuse me, do you come here often?
Sometimes.
That concludes this video on how to create professional AI videos using Storyboard, all with free AI tools. See you in next video.